Alright guys, we're going to be on scene, Bridgewater, Vic 7, for a carbon monoxide issue in the apartment above, with injury, or illness at this time. EMS is on scene over here. They called fire to assist, EMS did. Medic rescue is first on scene, sounds like. What happened here? We're going to have to probably ventilate the structure, find out what the cause of the carbon monoxide is, and then treat the patients. Hold on guys, I'm going to get my hat. Alright guys, looks like EMS is leaving now. Alright, so it looks like they're going to be going to the medical center. The patient, I believe they said 2 patients, don't quote me on that, unknown, but that's what I believe they said, so. EMS is now leaving. A dog just ran from the structure. Oh boy. I believe we have to run root talk now. That was insane. I've never seen that before. It's a new one. Just chase the dog down the sidewalk. Okay, they have the dog now. That was a little strange. Alright guys, so I believe it's going to be top floor apartment there. We do have PD on scene at this time of that Bridgewater unmarked car. I believe they're either going to be leaving or updating dispatch. Their computer. Unknown. I think he has the same flashlight as me. Mine blinks too. Interesting. I guys believe they're going to be leaving now.